Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to ICO reviews, where we review different kind of ICO and we'll let you know what I think about it. Now, this is Nextpakk Ico. This ICO basically is involved in the logistic industry. Now, they will be able to solve problems around logistic industry. Many people send package from place to place, and some of the package get lost, and some of the duration it takes. Now, Nextpakk is taking logistic into the blockchain, and they hope that logistic industry, when they start their own, is going to be faster, and people will not be able to be losing their package as it's always been. This is the official website of Nextpakk Ico, and you can see the private sale will end on the July 31st, July 31st, 2018. Now let's scroll down one after the other and see about this ICO. So let's scroll one after the other. Now look at the problem in the blockchain, actually in the logistic industry, and the solution Nextpakk offer. The problem: insufficient facility. I don't need to go through all the details, but you can see here, this is we are partnering with local businesses to be our package delivery point to effectively utilize an unused space. This will allow us to be scalable and minimal infrastructure while increasing the proximity to consumers. Now, what about the distance? They will create a short distance to every customer. The traffic, there will be less traffic. Problem: with more people shopping online, missed deliveries and package theft is a serious problem. Our PDPs and drivers are incentivized to create a platform that gives shoppers a control to schedule the day and the time of delivery when they are home. This results in zero missed deliveries and zero package. Through the app on the website, you'll be able to tell them, this is where I'm going to be around. You can bring the package at so time, and the driver bring it and they'll receive it. It won't be a case of the delivery van comes and you're not at home, you're at work, or you're on vacation somewhere. Now let's go down more. Now this is how they plan to distribute the token. Distribution also matters in ICO. You want to know how would they be distributing it. Now the total supply is 1 billion. 1 billion total supply for Packer. That is the name of the token. Private sales will get 4%, pre-ICO 6%, public ICO 10%, private and pre-ICO bonuses is 5%, bounty is 5%, PDP incentive is 5%, driver gets 10%, user reward 10%, advisors get 10%, a team 10%, computer legacy reserve 12%, expansion incentive 12%. You can see how they distribute it. So what is going for the all ICO? 4%, pre-ICO 6, making 10, public 10, making 20. All these privates and bonuses 25. Now let's add bounty to it for promotion and all the rest 28. All less than 30% goes to the public. Now all these other ones will be used for future. Now also 5% for legal, 15% for RID, business development, product marketing, and all the rest. You can see private token sale, the pre-ICO and the public ICO. You can see the price. The price is 16 cents. If you can get involved with this, wow, good for you. 24 cents for public pre-ICO. This may be difficult for you to get the privacy, but public pre-ICO is easier. 24, and public ICO 32 cents. This is the roadmap. This is the team: Lower Fortune, Chief Executive Officer Sergey Tokashev, Dilep Kamujula, and all the rest. This is the whole community behind it. You can see them. This is their partner. Now this dot about the website. Let's come here. This is the white paper. The white paper is put together. It's beautiful. And as I always do, I always make sure that I verify the white paper. I want to know if the white paper is plagiarized, is copied from one place or somewhere. And the ICO, I can tell you that the ICO or white paper is not copy and paste. It is unique. It is genuine. Let's go to Twitter. They have 37,000 followers and 2,210 likes. This is real. It's not manipulated. And you can get all the informations you need here. And you can also join their Telegram. 45,500 members. The ICO has not even started. This is huge. Now let's go to the ICO bench. 4.6 expert rating over 5, 16 expert rating. 4.9 for ICO profile, 4.4 for team, 4.8 for vision, 4.5 for product. Now, Parker, Alan says 16 cents for pre-ICO. ICO price is 32 cents. Platform is stellar. Some ICOs actually getting based on the Ethereum blockchain, but this is based on Stellar. A soft cap is $1 million US. They hope to raise at least $1 million US, and the real money they hope to achieve is $52.8 million US. The country is USA, and you need KYC and you need to get whitelisted. Now, this is good news for everyone. Restricted area, none. No matter where you come from, whether from the moon, from the sea, from the sky, as long as there's internet, you are welcome to participate in the ICO. Now let's check their Alesia ranking. They are well rated. The visitors coming mostly from Vietnam in Asia, India, Asia, Nigeria, Africa. This should be the mark of Nigeria, Africa, Brazil. This Brazil. This is Russia, India, Vietnam. So you can see people coming, getting involved in the ICO. Now the who is 2016 they registered 2 years ago. Fine. 2018. So it was expected on 18 and they actually updated 2019. So you can see about the who is. Now I think I'll be able to give you the information you need about this ICO Nextpakk. If the team actually deliver on the promises and they start the logistic company, things will be better. Everything going to the blockchain. More people going to know about cryptocurrency. That is lovely. And I love this project. I'm bullish on it. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Make your own decision. Do what you want to do. And if you decide to go for the ICO, fine. The link is down below. Just click on it and sign up for the ICO. But please, before you go, please, just do something for me. Just click on subscribe on your YouTube. Just click on it. Bam. And that's all. You've subscribed for my channel and you're going to get more videos. And you know what? Click on the notification bell. And whenever I release any videos, you're going to get to know about it and be among the first to see my videos. I will keep coming with good videos for you, more reviews on ICO. I love you guys, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.